everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video it's going to be a clean and disinfecting. Over the weekend I got hit with the flu and I don't want anyone else to get sick in my house for obvious reasons. This year has been a little bit crazy and you don't even know what to expect when you get the flu. Thank God I do have an amazing family that they helped a lot with the rest of the house, but I do have to disinfect the areas where I was staying. I try to stay downstairs in the couch, and for that reason I will be giving a deep clean to the couch. This is the area where everyone else hangs out, and so I don't want anyone to get sick. I am going to also deep clean my mattress. I did stay on my bedroom one day and I just don't want to risk it. As for the rest of the house, like I said, my family have been helping so much. They did the rest of the cleaning in the kitchen. I did help them a little bit, but for the most part, they try to help me to keep everything else organized, and I just need to disinfect the areas where I was pretty much all the time. And before we continue, hi, my name is Anna. I am a mom of 4 boys and I do a lot of cleaning motivation, a lot of mommy lifestyle videos. So if this is a content that you enjoy watching, subscribe to the channel, become part of the family. Also hit the like button and share the video. That would help me and make me so happy. If you are an old friend, thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate every time I read you in the comments. So don't forget to leave me your comment. Let me know if you are ready for the holidays. We know that we are literally 6 days away till Christmas. I'm like super excited, and even better that I am feeling much better before Christmas Day. I'm gonna be putting some cozy music so you can get relaxed. If you have to tackle something for your day, do so with me. But if you just want to get some coziness, get your coffee, your hot cocoa, put me on the TV or whatever device you watched cleaning videos, and let's continue.
There's butterflies in my palms and in my eyes, and echoes from the other night, gossip about our delight. What if we would join our forces? What a bliss. You make me to the
grace and make us better. Dress us for all weather. No need to seek shelter, everyone's free, and the best they can be. Tall grass sing songs and trees play a symphony. Ooh, imagine what we could do. Happy days be our guest, happy days manifest. Let's stand together, put a smile on our faces, fill us up with your grace and make us better. Dress us for all weather. Abbeys, I wonder who we'd be. At ease in the great mystery. Happy days be our guest, happy days manifest. Let's stand together, put a smile on our faces, fill us up with your grace and make us better. Happy days be our guest, happy days manifest. Let's stand together, put a smile on our faces, fill us up with your grace and make us better. Dress us for all weather. So hard to see from the moment we arrive. Cornelia, you are one who will survive. When time's been bad, you put smiles on everyone. Think of you and of all I should have done. You told me the thing would shape or form that you're in, the place you're from, the wealth or the color of your skin. And all you have burns to the sky. It's all too late. You wonder why, Cornelia. Your everyday is a struggle and a strive.
I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for staying all the way to the end. I hope you guys have enjoyed this and that you got some coziness or maybe tackle something that you had on your list for this day. My couch was all set up. The bedding, in the other hand, was still in the dryer, but it was almost done. Don't forget to comment down below what did you tackle on today's video, or if you got just cozy. Also, let me know if you enjoy the playlist I chose for you. I really got relaxed while I was listening to this music, and I hope you did as well. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
The place you're from, the wealth or the color of your skin.